Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of Redmi 7, Xiaomi's new mid-end smartphone. But this is Redmi 7, this is not the Redmi Note 7 which Xiaomi has launched earlier, or the Note 7 Pro. So this is the global version. You can see the Redmi, which is the new sub-brand of Xiaomi. Now this is 6.26-inch Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with 14mm octa-core up to 1.8 GHz. Good thing is that they have again included a battery of 4000 mAh, which is the same as you get in Redmi Note 7. The rear camera is 12 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and it has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now this is an Eclipse black color, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB of ROM. The price you can see on the screen over here, but in Dubai, if you want to buy this one, you can contact Mr. Tayeb bajwa from AWAIS Trading. These are the number, and also I will give you the same link in the description below. All the details. The price in Dubai for Redmi 7 is 490 dirhams. This is a discounted price, and I think nobody is offering this price apart from this store. And the price in India you can see in the screen, but again it's not available in India at the moment. It hasn't been launched. So this is the first few unboxing video you can see in YouTube. So let's unbox the device and have a look at the device. But before I start the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So this is the device. It has a 3D curved back cover, which I will show you later on. The Qualcomm 632 is just a little bit lower than Qualcomm 636 processor, which Xiaomi has been using in most of their mid-end smartphones like Redmi 6 Pro and others. So this would be a little bit less in comparison to the 636 processor, but still a good one. You can play PUBG, you can play a lot of games, graphic intensive. But yes, if you compare to 636, this is a lower version. Let's keep the smartphone and see what else it comes inside the box. So sadly, it's coming with micro USB port, which is seen in few devices at the moment, but had it been a USB Type-C cable, would have been much better. Now this is not a fast charger, but this is a regular charger by Xiaomi. Let's unbox the smartphone now and boot it up for the first time. Color is awesome. Eclipse black color, but looks really stunning. And also you can see the Redmi branding, which is the new sub-brand of Xiaomi. And also one good thing, it has a nice grip. Because of the curved back, the grip it gives is amazing. On the right side you can see the power button and the volume rockers. At the lower end you have the micro USB port and one speaker. But good thing is that it comes with the dual SIM card, plus you can add in a micro SD card, which is something nice. And also one good thing is that it has a 3.5mm headphone jack and the noise cancellation microphone on the top. And also one very good thing, it has an IR blaster, which is always good with Xiaomi devices. So this is the rear camera. You have the 12+2 rear camera with the LED flash. And also it is AI enabled, so this has all the AI features. The back is plasticky. It does give you a feel of metal, but the back is plasticky. On the side there is a metal ring, and also it's a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. Let's turn on the device for the first time. See the beautiful Redmi logo. Also this is the first few devices with the dewdrop notch, very tiny notch in the front. I must say the whole device looks really elegant, very similar to what we have seen. Comes with multiple languages, you can choose any. Okay, now let's see the fingerprint sensor. How does it work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it took a while to register your fingerprint. 10 to 12 tries. Now the setup is almost finished. So the setup is complete now. You can see the beautiful screen. Now this is a HD plus screen. This is not a full HD plus screen, but still I can see the viewing angles. Looks quite good. Xiaomi has done a good job in the display. Let's turn the brightness to the full. Now this is not a full HD plus panel, but I hope the camera is doing a good job. You can see the viewing angles and the screen qualities. The white looks good. It's not one of the best panels by Xiaomi, but again, compared to any other competitors like Oppo or Vivo, this one has a very good screen quality. Even though it's HD+, I really wish Xiaomi had included choose the region to Hong Kong. You will see when you go to security. Yeah, now you see this option of add face data, which was not available in the beginning. So when you change your region to Hong Kong or maybe any other Asian region, if you can't see this option, you can enable it. So when you click on add face data, click the pattern. So let's see how's the face unlock. Registration of face unlock was very fast. Allow face unlock. So this is a new option by Xiaomi. Allow face unlock when screen lights up. Let's do that. Let's turn on the device and see how the face unlock works. So well done Xiaomi once again, in terms of face unlocking and fingerprint sensor, Xiaomi devices are one of the best. You can see it's super fast. You just like an iPhone 10 or iPhone 10 Max. And I'm sitting in quite a distance from the device, but still the face unlock speed is immaculate and very fast. So this is running the MIUI Global 10.2 version, which is a stable version based on Android 9. The Android Pie. So good thing is that Xiaomi is giving this device with the latest version of Android 9. And it's running the Xiaomi's latest software, MIUI 10.2. Now let's talk about the most important thing of this device, its camera. So Xiaomi has given us 12 megapixel rear plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. And also there is a flashlight. Now if you talk about the camera, it must be similar to how we have seen in Redmi Note 7 camera. Stunning performance in the daylight. And also when you talk about the front camera, it has an 8 megapixel front camera. There is a very small and tiny chin at the bottom. If you talk about the design, it's awesome. It looks like a premium smartphone, even though the value of the phone is 490 AED. There are very thin bezels on the side. There is a small dewdrop notch for the front camera. And also there is a small chin at the bottom. Let's see how's the sound quality.
Cherry.
So overall, I will say the device is very good for its price of 490 dirham, and this is the beginning price. I'm sure the price will go down with every week. So within a month's time, you will get an even better deal. This has not been launched in India, but I'm sure soon India will have the launching of Redmi 7, as the Redmi Note 7 was recently launched in India. And again, the price in India would be around 8,000 for 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage. But still, there's a long way to go. Overall, I will say in terms of design, look, and also the camera quality, this device looks very promising. Again, if you can spare some more budget, you can go for Redmi Note 7 Pro, but otherwise it's a very good deal. You just get a little bit less in terms of display, which is HD+, and even the processor a little bit weak, not very weak, a little bit weak than Redmi Note 7 Pro, which has a 660 Snapdragon, much advanced processor. But for this device also, you can easily play games. It has amazing battery of 4000 mAh. If you want to buy this device in Dubai, this is the shop you must buy. They are giving unbelievable price price nobody is giving at the moment. Also, the stocks are limited, so you can contact them. Contact Mr. Tayeb Bajwa for the pricing. Also refer to Tech World, which is my channel. He might give you a better deal. So this shop is in Dera, but they will not deliver to India or Pakistan or any other country. Somebody has to come here to buy it. तो दोस्तों, पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराना चाहता हूँ इस शॉप के जो मेन मैनेजर हैं और जो ओनर हैं, मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, उनके डिटेल्स स्क्रीन पे भी हैं और मैं आपको ये सारी डिटेल्स नीचे भी दूंगा। अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का मी या Xiaomi का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए हो, चाहे वो स्मार्टफोन हो, चाहे वो पैड हो, तो मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा आपकी पूरी मदद करेंगे इसमें। तैयब सर, पहले तो मैं बहुत शुक्रिया आपको कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया अनबॉक्सिंग करने के लिए, और एक नहीं बल्कि 3 मोबाइल्स दिए हैं, तो मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मेरे व्यूअर्स को आप ये बताना चाहेंगे कि आपकी जो प्राइजेज़ हैं और बाकी जो प्राइजेज़ हैं जैसे, तो उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
इंशाल्लाह हमारी प्राइस जो है सबसे बेस्ट होती है और हम कस्टमर को अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं। कभी भी कस्टमर को ऑफ टाइम में भी चाहिए होता है तो हम उसके लिए सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, और देरा के अंदर हम डिलीवरी भी कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई अच्छा कस्टमर है, रेगुलर कस्टमर है, तो उसको हम सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
और आप ज़्यादातर वैसे होलसेल में डील करते हैं?
जी, ज़्यादातर हमारा होलसेल।
और अगर जैसे कोई किसी को 2 या 3 यूनिट अगर चाहिए हो, तो क्या आप उसकी मदद कर सकते हैं इसमें?
जी जी बिल्कुल। जो 1 यूनिट और 2 यूनिट लेने वाले होते हैं, हम उनको भी अच्छी रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, लाइक होलसेलर डील करते हैं।
और यूजुअली आप डिलीवरी देरा मार्केट में ही करते हैं, मतलब
जी जी,
दुबई में देरा के अलावा आप और कहीं नहीं करते हैं?
और करते हैं, वो कार्गो होती है, कार्गो के जरिए भेजते हैं।
लेकिन किसी दूसरी कंट्री में कोई मंगाना चाहे तो आप उसे सिर्फ यहाँ से किसी से पिकअप करवा सकते हैं?
जी जी, मेरा स्टॉक जाता है आउट ऑफ कंट्री में, अफ्रीका में जाता है, सऊदी अरेबिया में जाता है, ईरान में जाता है, वो सारी कार्गो के जरिए ही जाता है।
तो उसमें डेफिनेटली कुछ टैक्स या प्राइजेस डिफरेंस होते होंगे?
जी जी, वो जो रेगुलर प्राइस होती है वही होती है। वो बैंक में टीटी भेज देते हैं, हम लोग उनको माल भेज देते हैं कार्गो के जरिए।
तैयब सर,
जो बड़े होलसेलर का कस्टमर हैं वो फ्रीजोन से बाय कर लेते हैं, फ्रीजोन से तो टैक्स नहीं होता, उधर से फिर सीधा ही उनको कार्गो कर देते हैं हम लोग।
तो दोस्तों, ये हैं मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा। इनका जितना शुक्रिया अदा किया जाए उतना कम है, और मैं इन पे पूरा भरोसा करता हूँ। अगर आपको कोई भी Xiaomi का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो आप बेहिचक होके इनका फ़ोन नंबर मिलाएं और आप इनसे ऑर्डर करें। तैयब सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके इंटरव्यू के लिए, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। So this was my review for this beautiful device. Also soon I'll be doing an unboxing of the same device in red color, and there is also a soon new surprise is coming for the Mi Play, which is again a very recent device by Xiaomi. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.